Hi viewers, in this video, let's see how distributors calculating their ROI in FMCG industry. I have already uploaded this video in Tamil language. Based on your feedback, I am re-uploading this video in English language. For your better understanding, I have enabled this video with English subtitles. So before going to this video, I request you to subscribe to 5 Minutes Learning channel in YouTube so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now let's move to the topic. The distributor ROI calculation in FMCG industry is different from that of normal simple ROI calculation. First, let's see the ROI definition in this slide. The return on investment helps us measure the profit percentage which a firm earns on investing a unit of capital. In this slide, let's see what is simple ROI. Simple ROI formula is equal to gain minus investment cost divided by investment cost. Let's see this with an example. Let's take a marketing activity with 5 lakh rupees of investment and 7 lakh rupees of profit returns. So the ROI percentage based on the ROI formula is equal to 40% returns is given by that marketing activity. Usually, simple ROI is used when we easily know the cost and profit. But distributor's activity is not as simple as such. So distributor ROI formula equal to net margin percentage into rotations. In an FMCG industry, a distributor will handle only particular area of revenue which is allocated for him to supply. Distributor will be asked to invest only a part of that area revenue allocated to him as an investment for the business. So using this investment, distributor will do rotations as a turnover. I will explain the component of this formula first and then I will explain the calculation in the later slides. In this slide, let's see the components of investment. The first component is stock. Based on the distributor's health report, the stock norm days will be fixed between 5 to 13 days as minimum stock level by the company for the distributor. Suppose let's say a distributor with a revenue of 1 crore and as per the health report, he is a type of distributor, and if company has fixed the 5 days norms for the A type of distributor, then the minimum stock level for that distributor will be 16.6 lakhs. This will be calculated as 1 crore divided by 30 into 5. Next investment component is market credit. Usually the company will ask distributor to give 1 day stock norm as the market credit, but it is completely under the discretion of the distributor. In the above scenario, 1 day stock of 1 crore distributor will be 3.3 lakh as the market credit. Next component is claims. The reimbursement claims pending from the company to be paid to the distributor will be considered under this component. Let's see the cost components of distributor in this slide. The first component is salary. Salaries like salary for a salesman, salary for merchandiser, delivery boy, driver salary, loader, godown keeper salary, office computer operator salary, all this comes under the salary component. Next component is distribution cost, which includes fuel cost, rental of vehicle, vehicle hire cost, loading and unloading cost, maintenance cost, rental for office and godown, and all these are the distribution cost. Next component is indirect and operation cost, which include printing cost, stationery and telephone bill cost, electricity bill, internet charges, auditing charges, repair and maintenance charges, computer charges, bank charges, and other miscellaneous charges are the indirect costs. Next component is the discount component, which includes the discounts given by the distributor in market, like wholesale discounts will come under the discount cost. Now I will explain the ROI calculation in this slide. As already mentioned, ROI percentage equal to net margin percentage into rotations. First, let's see what is net margin percentages. Net margin percentage formula equal to net margin divided by sales into 100. In this formula, sales is nothing but the total turnover. Total margin equal to sales into RS margin percentage. Here RS margin percentage is the commission paid by the company to the distributor. So now we know the total margin. Total cost is sum of all the cost component that we had seen before. So net margin equal to total margin minus total cost, and net margin percentage equal to net margin divided by sales, that is turnover, into 100. So let's see what is rotations now. Rotations formula is equal to 360 divided by investment days. Here investment days formula is equal to investment divided by sales into 30. So now we can calculate the ROI percentage using this formula. Thank you all for watching this video. We'll see you soon with another informative video. Please like the video, share to your friends, and do not forget to subscribe 5 Minutes Learning channel so that you don't miss any of my videos.